Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. Behind me I've got the bag that I took on the trip to Leeds, the train trip to Leeds, and I thought I'd show you what I took with me. So that's the Mountain Warehouse 90 litre cargo hold all plus rucksack, which I find really useful for carrying boats around when I'm doing these kind of trips. There is another dry bag in there, forgot what I had in there. A couple of lashes and another paddle leash and the skeg from the boat, and the rest of it, that's out there. So there's the boat itself, which is that ultralight Packraft where I stuff the tubes. I call it the dry bag Packraft. Carbon 4-piece paddle, that's the Aquamarina KP3. Then here we've got a load of dry bags, and this is what I used to stuff into the tubes of that with the beer in and so on. If you've seen the trip, you'll know what I mean. Inflatable PFD, so that it folds down flat, weighs next to nap all, doesn't take up any room. Sorry about the aeroplane overhead, can't be helped. Towel, just to dry the boat off after we'd finished. Mooring line, paddle leash. I did take a cag with me just in case, because there was a bit of rain forecast, but we didn't get any. And then this is just a little Osprey dry bag that's got, it had my camera gear in, the drone, a few bungee cords, little repair pack, so that's got some tear aid tape in it, and then a little micro pump, which is what I use to put air into the boat. And that's it, that's all there was. Now in total that weighed about 8.5 kilos. I'll put that on the screen. And with the beer in, it weighed just over 10 kilos, so it wasn't too bad. It's actually one of my lightest trips out. I was quite chuffed. It was dead easy to carry down to the station. That little boat has been one of those that surprised us all. There were 3 of us out in that trip with those. We all really enjoyed them, and we're really surprised how well they perform. They are excellent value for money at under £200. Absolute bargain. Yeah, that's it. I just thought you might be interested, just thought I'd show you. You know what to do about liking, subscribing and sharing and all that jazz if you like what I'm doing on this channel. You take care of yourself, and thanks for watching. Cheerio.